Hi everybody, this is Sean Deuby from Windows IT Pro, and with my colleague Michael Otey, also from Windows IT Pro. And today we are talking about HP Microsoft Private Cloud Solutions, specifically the HP Enterprise Database Consolidation Reference Architecture for SQL Server, designed to meet the challenges of database sprawl. Mike, do you want to kind of describe what this reference architecture is for and who might be interested in using it?
Sure thing, Sean. This is a solution geared towards enterprises, and it is really an interesting solution because this does something that goes against common sense in the IT database world. A lot of times in the IT world, you don't want to consolidate high I/O intensive applications like SQL Server. You want to keep them separate. You want to keep them on different hosts. This is the accepted wisdom with regard to implementing these. This referenced architecture totally takes that and does away with it, puts it in the past. The idea here is to consolidate multiple SQL Server instances and I/O all on the same box. So in other words, this box is geared and designed explicitly to run multiple, even up to hundreds of SQL Server workloads all on the same system. This is kind of an interesting one too, because this began as a database consolidation appliance. HP used to sell this as a solution or a couple different solutions in the box, but they have since morphed into making this a referenced architecture where it is a guided set of solutions for you to implement. And they have two different versions of this. They have what they call a half-rack system, and they have what they call a full-rack system. The half-rack system basically consists of 8 different ProLiant servers in there. It has a dozen different pre-configured VMs. It's running Windows Server 2012, System Center for management, and it supports about 30,000 IOPS per second, which is a lot. So it is definitely an enterprise class implementation. The full rack system goes even farther than that. They have 8 servers in the system, and it supports 57 terabytes of raw storage, supports up to 60,000 IOPS.
Wow.
So the idea is to kind of bring all your SQL Server database servers together, put them all on one of these boxes, basically allowing you to deliver database as a service. So goes against conventional wisdom, but it is all pre-configured, like I said. HP provides, in this they specify in the referenced architecture not only racks, power distribution units, they specify the HP ProLiant servers in there, as well as multiple switches and the storage backend. It's basically everything that you need to implement this as part of the referenced architecture. And again, the guideline is, do you want 30,000 IOPS or do you want 60,000 IOPS? Or it can be expanded even farther than that if you want to add multiple racks together. But anyway, that's the idea.
So right, so it is it's a do-it-yourself version, but it's an enterprise scale do-it-yourself version in a way that you are far less likely to shoot yourself in the foot than if you just tried to come up with a solution by yourself.
Exactly, and it's specifically designed to support multiple high I/O intensive applications like SQL Server, or SQL Server specifically, all running at the same time. It's an amazing sort of architecture.
I note that it also has tools to provision to meter usage for chargeback as well, and in something as scalable as that, and certainly in association with the private cloud, is a very desirable thing. Thanks, Mike. Appreciate your insight in this, and I will talk to you next time.
See you later.